Yo. What is up, Jamaicans? Kevin here with another reaction move. Yeah. And today, guys, we're here with Teejay featuring Shaggy. Big up Teejay. Teejay, don't know you're my artist already. Big up yourself, Shaggy. You set it in the business, see me too. With a song called Gyal Them Time. Teejay, Shaggy with a song called Gyal Them Time. It's a music video. So let's jump straight tonight and hear what the G them say. Let's go! Big up Teejay, man. Rate the artist, my G. Bad artist.
Yo, singer. You know, see a be able to another party, I do.
It
don't make no sense of how it.
Foot eye artist. Lock it. Big up yourself, lock it.
A be able to another party, I do.
I like it. I like it, right?
It don't make no sense of how it, you know.
Yeah, man, I like it, man.
I cut, you know.
Don't worry yourself, man. 100 girl me and Shaggy I can come. You hear that?
What? A daughter go on?
See a old man family.
Alright, anything you say. Man.
Cheap.
Make sure it's a lock it that. If you don't lock it,
Gyal, Jamaican gyal,
then
West Indian
look,
gyal,
just like lock it.
foreign gyal, what we say? Yeah.
All the gyal them time, all the gyal them time, all the
Gyal them time.
all the gyal them time, 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 all the gyal them.
Yes, what?
Send a couple millions if you take that. Any gyal me there with that fi get cash. Chanel pant tag inna your neck back.
Send a couple million, if it take that. Couple million come like nothing to Shaggy. Send a couple million, if it take that. Any girl me there with that fi get cash. Yeah, me like it.
Any gyal me there with that fi get cash. Chanel pant tag inna your neck back. If a man a move, mean walk we left that.
Yo! What am I say? If a girl a move, if a man a move, mean walk we left that. Jesus Christ, Shaggy, we are telling girl them to do. Shaggy, we are telling girl them to do left them good man we not no money right now. Support the girl them, support it. Shaggy, I know everybody can send a couple mil pan a girl, me G, and you don't know. Nah, feeling pocket a move a certain type of way, a crab walk. You see me? So we are telling girl them say, yo, if a man a move mean, sometime I don't mean it, sometime we not have it as man. Sometime we genuinely not have it, we spend out. Shaggy, we are telling girl them say, Jesus Christ, Shaggy, me like that. Shaggy. Me like that side of Shaggy. Me like that side of Shaggy. Me like that side of Don't you say that.
Send a couple millions if you take that. Any gyal me there with that fi get cash. Chanel pant tag inna your neck back. If a man a move, mean walk we left that.
Bumbo clap. Big up all the girls when I say, no boy no left them. No boy no left you. You left them. Yo, big up Teejay now. This is a mix-up song. This is a mix-up song for the girl. Me can see this as a song I go right down in the summer. Yeah. The cheerleader and them can bounce to it. Yeah, them can do them routine to it and one bag of thing. But I like it. The girl them time.
Sexy Michelle, give me your contact. Shape like a muggle, what a girl hot. Send me a video on TikTok. Say she want bring me the nookie in a gift.
Every girl love to rate this. Have a couple hot girl they on me date list. They must say the boy full of style like Matrix. Uptown girl put nip on our playlist. Yo, play this.
Play this.
The gyal them time,
What am you will let in the girl?
I the girl them.
time, all the gyal them time,
Money we spend let in the girl.
all the gyal them time, all the gyal them time,
What am you will let in the girl?
all the gyal them time, all the gyal them time.
Money we spend let in the girl.
No style, money na pile. Girl them say them tired of the broke profile. My style, spend a couple Kyle. Anywhere we go we make the girl them
Shaggy
smile.
just his style. Every girl we see
Little boy like me, make big up. Yo, big up Teejay. I'm a rate Teejay in the dog. And a joke in the like me rate Teejay. I don't know how much me say this, brother. Like Teejay, a bad bumbuckler entertaining the dog. Teejay is more than an artist. Teejay is an entertainer. And don't get it twisted in the dog. Like
Spend a couple Kyle. Anywhere we go, we make the girl them
Shaggy
smile.
and this style. Every girl we see we have it with a friend of mine. Little boy like me make big woman wine. Get me first cute from me was a little child. Me we manage any size.
All the girl them time.
imagine any size.
Over time me we let in the girl.
All the girl them time. All the girl them time.
Money we have spent let in the girl.
All the girl them time. All the girl them time.
Over time me we let in the girl.
All the girl them time. All the girl them time.
Move right there.
Move up. Move up. Yo, the Ranch Entertainment. Big up, big up, big up, big up, big up, big up, big up. Yo, Shaggy and Teejay, like two big bad artists. Teejay, you never fail, brother. You never fail, me G. Collab is fire. The collab is fire. The collab needed to be done. Like the collab is done and the collab is fire. Me like it. Yeah, me like it. Bad. At the girl them time. You don't see nothing explicit. You don't see no bagger derogatory lyrics to the girl them and them thing there. You just have two bad artists as put on a show for the girl them. I'm sure so the girl them are gonna appreciate the song. Yeah. And me hope so that song do numbers and do well going into the summer and beyond. Like that song bad, brother. Me hope this is an anthem in the space. You see me? Bad song. Bad bumbuck lead song. But anyway, dog, this is how I'm gonna leave that reaction there. You know? If you want to see more from your G, you don't know what to do. Subscribe to the channel. The door is always open, man. Just do the right and not the wrong. You see it? Big up Shaggy. Big up Teejay. You see me? And big up the Ranch Entertainment.